Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something very YouTubery and very typical. Well, you see the title of this video, so you know what I'm going to be unboxing, but basically Lazada went on sale, or Lazada had a flash sale, and I was like, wow, I need a ring light so that I don't have to rely on working in front of a window all the time. So I jumped at the chance and I got my ring light, and now I'm going to unbox it because I don't know why people do unboxing videos. Are they reveal videos? Are they like, but people do it. So you know what? I'm going to do an unboxing video. This is my ring light in its box. It's like a sign. This arrived on Tuesday, but I haven't unboxed it because I wanted to video it. Here goes the long chungus. Okay. This is the ring light box. I think I got a 26 centimeter one. And this, I assume, is the tripod box. Where's the... Oh, there it is. It's like a pizza box. What? Cool. I didn't expect it to feel like this. ASMR. It's for holding the phone. This is for attaching the light. This is the cable for the light. Feeling ko dapat may something dito. Ang weird. Okay, well, here's the light itself. I suppose this goes here. Girl, I don't know how to assemble this though. Oh! Oh, what is this? What is this? I think this goes here. What do I do with this? And then what? Wait. Bakit may bola? Ito yung di ko maintindihan. Ano to? There's no instruction manual for this. So confused. So I'm gonna take a break from videoing and I'm gonna try to look for how to assemble this.
2 hours later.
Okay. I got it. So at first, I was scared to put it on. I didn't want to break it, but then you're just supposed to put it on. I was about to send the seller a message that like, hey, patulong naman dito. So that's working. Please don't send any hate. Like, shit, bobo ka, girl. I know, I'm trying my best. It's so tall. Okay. Now we have these two pieces. This is so hard, guys. I don't know. At least there are choices. Oh! No, I can't do that. So that's an... So I can just do that if I want it to be steady. We've encountered another problem. It's a USB. I'm so confused! So, kumuha ako ng adapter that I use for charging my phone. God,
2 hours later.
guys, maliwanag na siya! Oh, you can see it in my glasses. Wow, it's so bright. I'm gonna have to get used to looking at it. I'll just transfer my phone to the holder. Okay. I guess this is gonna be my setup. It's so bright and, and my glasses reflect it. Oh no. Oh, I forgot to show you the different modes and stuff. So yeah, it's dimmable and you can change the temperature. This is the warm light. This is the cool light. And this is the normal light. It's also dimmable so like you can control the intensity of the light. So pwede siyang lumiwanag. So ito yung lowest setting. Sapat na to for day lighting conditions. Tapos siguro sa gabi, like, I'll turn it up. Good. Oh, this is so nice! So that's what it's like to have evenly spread light and stuff. This was my ring light unboxing fail. Sorry, bobo ako. If you ever need help assembling your ring light, you can ask me. Dami kong pinaghirapan dito. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Maybe with a video that maximizes my ring light, diba? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!